The Capture 2 is very portable and easy to use. Connect your phone. It too helps you to capture moments that matter. Record these moments the way you want. Whether you want to record a time-lapse or take a panorama photo, the 2 app allows you to do this, to create those amazing shots. Besides phones, the Capture 2 also supports making it possible to safely shoot in harsher conditions. This ensures you'll be able to shoot smooth footage in every situation. The Capture can track your movement, making sure your subject stays within the frame. With a lot of different filters, even more beautiful. Want to zoom in? Use the zoom wheel to get closer to your subject. You can shoot up to 12 hours with the Capture 2, so you don't have to worry about missing your shot. And when it's empty, you can easily recharge the Capture 2 and continue shooting. Capture 2. Smooth your story.